Hi, my name is Storm. How you doing? Alright y'all, so this is the final look of this beauty. Can we get into her? Like, she is giving me Storm. Hello. It's like Storm done got her groove back and she's just out here ready to hit the street. Alright y'all, so this unit was sent to me by SoGoodBB, which is a synthetic online site that has numerous amounts of wigs, but I received this from them. And this is in the style Thea, and I'm wearing the color SR1B/platinum. So basically it's ombre 1B, and then you got the rest of it platinum. You guys, this is actually kind of a look, and my roommate was telling me like, girl, you need to rock that. But I was just like, what am I gonna do with a platinum wig? But I'm actually feeling her. Like, I keep looking at myself because I'm like, who is she? I really like this unit. I am shocked because initially I was just like, platinum wig, I can't do nothing with that. But this is actually like a look. This is something that's very fun and just different. This might definitely be a Halloween wig and a festival wig and all the things because she's cute, real cute. So she's a nice short bob. This is the shortest I've ever gone with a bob. It's like layered. It's just like a choppy fun bob. I would say it's probably like an 8-inch bob, 8 to 10-inch bob, and then they have like a lot of just chunky layers in it. But she is very cute. This unit retails for $37 on the SoGoodBB site. It's originally $69.99, so you're getting a really good discount just off the strength. Like, she is, I definitely feel like for a synthetic wig, the most I've spent on a synthetic wig is $50, and she was short and she was cute and she had like a really nice color. So I feel like anything less than $50 is definitely a steal when it comes to a unit. I'm just gonna read a few specs for y'all. This is a synthetic lace front wig, and it is heat safe. As you guys saw in the video, I did run my hot comb just around the part area so that it lays a little bit flatter. It has pretty much an ear-to-ear hairline. I do have a big head, so it is big head friendly. I feel like it fits really well on my head. Of course, I did secure it with my Got2b and my freeze spray, because that's just usually how I wear my synthetic wigs. Not all the time, but majority of the time. It didn't come with any baby hairs, so as you guys saw, I did decide to cut out a little bit of baby hairs just to make the front part look a little bit more natural. Actually, one thing I really liked when I was cutting out my baby hairs, typically on synthetic units, it's really hard to pluck hair. I don't know, they be tying them things down. But when I was plucking, I did find that it was coming out very easy, which, you know, pro con, I think it's a pro. To me, this wig is very low maintenance, very easy to put on. As you guys saw, it was just like boom, you know, customize it the way you want and you're out the door. Because it's a short choppy cut, I feel like I'm not gonna have too many issues with tangling. As you guys can see, I can be able to put my hands through and I don't have no kinks, and she flows. Like, that's one thing that I really look woo, because when it comes to like short cuts, you don't want, one being that it's synthetic, you for sure out of the package, you do not want nothing stiff. I've had units that come straight out of the package and baby, I'd be like, dang, why did I get this? But honestly, this unit is like popping. I did not think that I was going to like this unit at all. One, the color, and then two, I was just like, no, but I'm feeling it. I am feeling her. Like, hello. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any of my uploads, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.